to American Dream TV's Selling Oklahoma. I'm your host, Allison Wanjon, your go-to gal for all things real estate and real life here in Oklahoma. Today, we're going to be taking a tour of one of my absolute favorite spots in the downtown Oklahoma City area, Bricktown. Whether you've lived here all your life, you've just moved here, or you're currently house hunting with me, this is an area that you've got to check out and see what it has to offer. Come on. So here we are at Brickopolis. It's kind of like downtown's playground where you're gonna find mini golf, you're gonna find laser tag, much more than that, arcade games. Whether you think like a kid, act like a kid, or you have kids, this is a great time for the whole family or for date night. Let's go check it out. Today we are talking to Lateria Allen, who happens to be the owner of this lovely establishment. So if you could just tell me a little bit about like the vision and like how your vision started and then kind of what it's become over the years.
Well, over the years we decided that we wanted to do family entertainment in Bricktown. At first it was just mini golf and laser tag and think we'll have fun with it, and then it's just expanded since then.
So for someone who's never been to Brickopolis before, can you describe an experience for that person in one word or one phrase?
So this is fun for all ages, kids, families, adults, first date nights, anniversaries, we've had it all. So it's just been an exceptional time right here on the canal, right by the water. Take a boat ride, enjoy Bricktown, enjoy everything that we have to offer.
Awesome. So can my family and I, can we come play some games?
For sure.
Okay.
Let's have some fun.
I'm excited. And if you're more of a popcorn and chill type, Harkins Theater is right around the corner. It's comfy, has all the blockbusters, and yes, the popcorn is elite. And let's get real, it's really just a vehicle for butter. Pro tip, sign up for their loyalty cup. The Crystal Bridge is like walking into a jungle, but it's a stunning spot for photos, events, or just pretending you're in Costa Rica on your lunch break. Just steps away is the Myriad Botanical Gardens, 17 acres of downtown zen. I come here to reset after a long showing day, or to pretend I'm in a rom-com. You get it. Bass Pro Shop. You might be thinking, Bass Pro Shop, really? Yes, it's not just gear, it's an experience. Aquariums, giant fish tanks, fudge shop, and honestly, it smells like adventure in here. Need a little friendly competition? Revolutions in Bricktown is your late night go-to. Bowling, arcade games, and the kind of lighting that makes you feel a little cooler than you are. And for my thrill seekers, OKC River Sport, whitewater rafting, zip lines, surfing. Yes, surfing in Oklahoma. Your kids will love it, your inner kid will love it, and your legs will definitely be sore later. Whether you're having a family night like me, or you're on a date, or you're just hanging with your friends, end your night by hopping on the Bricktown Water taxi. It winds through the heart of the district, and you can see the sights and let someone else steer for a change. So today I've gotten the privilege of sitting down with the CEO of the Bricktown Water Taxi, Chad Huntington. So thank you so much for speaking with me today.
Pleasure.
Yeah, I appreciate it. So first question, how did the Bricktown Water Taxi get started, and what inspired you to do this?
Well, so our longtime CEO, owner and CEO, was in Fort Lauderdale when Oklahoma City built the canal as part of the Metropolitan Area Project. So the canal came online in 1999, and the city of Oklahoma City reached out. Bob, our longtime owner, just happened to have the domain watertaxi.com, so they reached out to him. He thought it was an interesting idea, so he flew to Oklahoma City. He had never been here before, fell in love with it, and ended up starting the company. I worked for Bob for the entirety. I was on the very first opening crew in 1999. 2002, I became the general manager, and then I bought the company in 2019 after Bob passed away.
What was Bricktown like whenever in 1999 when you guys first launched, and how has it grown since then?
So Bricktown was already emerging as an entertainment district. It was becoming actually a very popular entertainment district. Once MAPS happened, that built the canal, among other things, it created just profound profound change in Bricktown, including the canal, of course, and the businesses along the canal, development south of Reno. All of these things have had real transformative impact on the city and on Bricktown.
Yeah. So it's really evolved then since
It has.
you guys first started here.
And continues to evolve.
And it continues, yeah. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much again. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks for
And
letting us be a part of it.
Yeah, thanks for letting us be a part of this water taxi experience.
Absolutely.
And there you have it, Bricktown in downtown Oklahoma City. Whether you're buying or selling or just exploring, I'd love to help you find your place in the city that I love so much. And remember, even Jesus came not to be served, but to serve others. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. We'll see you next time.